So hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn how can you add moving highlights on your video clip just like this. To do that, first we need to drag the screenshot over here. Let's stretch a bit. Now we'll go to the title generator over here. Now from generators we'll go to solids and drag this custom generator over here. Let's drag it to this point. Now we'll change the color of this custom generator. To do that, we need to go over here, click on the color and change the color you want. We'll add this yellow color. Let's close it. Now we'll go over here and the blend mode, it is normal, change it to darken. Now we'll go to effects and search crop and feather, drag it to this title generator. Now let's adjust this highlight by adjusting the height and width. You can enter also the position value X and Y, and you can move the highlight where you want. Now it's okay. Now we'll click over here and click the crop option. Now we'll drop this handle on the right side to here, and now we'll place the pointer from where we want to start the highlight to move. And now we'll add this keyframe over here, and then we'll take this pointer to the point where we want the highlight to be end, and then drop this pointer to the right and then click done. Let's check it. Here you can see the highlight is moving. So in this way you can add moving highlights on our video clip. So if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.